traffic 353, keep on reset. They take right on Charlie, contact on 1
Expectation Charlie, ground on 1.9, 1 after necessary 350.
Really? Sometime on the runway, runway 19, update the takeoff, surface wind 160 degrees 7 knots, from a lovely side. Practice expected on runway 19 after 30 miles at above.
Set takeoff thrust. Thrust rate.
Thrust set. $80 knots.
Check.
V1.
Rotate. Watch to your right.
Gear up.
Traffic 213, clear to land 19, surface wind 300 degrees 10 knots.
It's land runway 19, thank you, cheers, traffic 212.
Thrust rate, VNF speeds.
Check.
Track select. And autopilot engaged.
Autopilot.
Qatar 90 Victor Center, turn left heading 150.
Heading select.
Check.
Traffic 161 established, tower 118, 1 bye.
Flip 5.
Speed check flaps 5.
Traffic 181, maintain your base.
Flip 1.
Speed check flaps 1.
Speed, descent to level 90, traffic 181.
After takeoff checklist.
After takeoff checklist complete.
Thank you. I can release the cabin crew.
Roger.
Qatar 90 Bravo, connect heads on 125.1, safe flight. 151.